Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the science class. In the previous video, we had started the revision of chapter number 10. And in this video, we will revise the remaining chapter, that is force, work and energy. Now the next topic is work. So, work is said to be done when a force acts on an object and the object moves in the direction of force. When you exerts a force on an object and the object moves in that direction of force, then we have said that work is done. But there is no work done if the object does not move in the direction of force. For example, here two figures are given. In the first figure, Yamini pushing a box, and the box is also moved in the direction of the force. But in the next figure, Yash pushing a wall, and Yash was not able to move the wall. Here wall is not moving in the direction of force. That's why work was done only by Yamini here, not by Yash. Okay. Next is simple machines. What are simple machines? Tools that makes our work easier, that is known as simple machines. Or in other words, we can say that such tools that helps us to do certain tasks easily, that tools is known as simple machines. For example, in our daily life, we use such tools such as knives, nail cutters, bottle openers, scissors. These tools are also known as simple machines. So there are 6 types of simple machines: lever, inclined plane, wheel and axle. Next is screw, wedge and pulley. So first one we'll study about the lever. What is lever? A lever makes it easy for us to move or lift weights, open bottle caps or cut things. So when we move or lift weights, we use lever. Here in this figure, a man is able to move this hard rock by using a lever. So a small force is applied on one side of the road can move or lift a heavy load on the other side. Other examples of levers are bottle openers, nail cutters, staplers, scissors, etc. Next machine is inclined plane. Inclined plane is a flat surface that is higher on one end, and it is used to move an object to a lower end or higher place. Here we need less energy and force to move objects on an inclined plane. Other examples of inclined planes are slides, slanted roads and ramps. Next is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle is a combination of a wheel and a cylindrical rod. And this cylindrical rod called axle goes through the wheel. When the wheel rotates, it moves the rod and vice versa. So, other examples of wheel and axle are bicycles, cars, roller skates, swing machines, doorknobs, etc. Next is screw. A screw is actually an inclined plane that bends around itself. It has ridges and is not as smooth as nail. That is, a nail is smooth but screw is not smooth as nail. It has ridges. Some screws are used to lower and raise things. So examples of screws are jar lids, light bulbs, clamps, wrenches, key rings, etc. Next is wedge. A wedge is a simple machine used to push two objects apart. For example, a fork. Fork is an example of a wedge and it can be used to cut or split food apart. Another examples of wedges are knives, axes, nails, etc. Next is pulley. Pulley is a machine which is made up of wheel and a rope. The rope fits into the groove of the wheel. And what is groove? Groove is a long, narrow cut in the surface of something hard. So one end of the rope is attached to the load or weight, and when you pull on one side of the pulley, the wheel turns and the load weight moves up. In this way we can able to draw water from a well also. Now next topic is energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. So when we do some work, we need energy. And when we lack energy, we struggle to do even the simplest things also. So we can say that energy gives us the ability to do work. Or energy is the ability to do work. Okay. So there are different types of energies: muscular energy, solar energy, wind energy, water energy, energy from fuels, etc. First one is muscular energy. What is muscular energy? The energy which is stored in the muscles and that enables us to do some work is called muscular energy. A body gets energy and we get energy from the food. So that energy is stored in our muscles to do some physical work. That energy is known as muscular energy. Human beings, animals use muscular energy all the time. Okay. Next is solar energy. Energy which we obtain from the sun, that is known as solar energy. Solar heaters, solar cookers are used to heat water and cook food. So other advantages of solar energy are solar batteries light up bulbs, operate watches, calculators. Solar energy is being used to light up streets, buildings. Plants also get solar energy for the process of photosynthesis. Next is wind energy. Energy which we get from wind, that is known as wind energy, and energy which we get from water, that is known as water energy. So wind and water both are natural resources, and for centuries people use windmills, water mills for grinding grain and for generating electricity, for hydropower stations, etc. Next one is energy from fuels. Energy which we obtain from fuels, that is known as energy from fuels. Trucks, buses, cars, scooters get the energy to move from fuels. And fuels are materials that release energy when they are burnt. For example, LPG, CNG, PNG, etc. They all get energy from fuels. Okay. So here chapter is complete now. Hope you all will understand this. Now on the basis of this you have to complete this worksheet. Question number 1 is, when is work said to be done? Question 2, name 6 simple machines. Question 3 is, what is energy? And the last question is, what are different kinds of energy? You have to complete this worksheet in your science notebook. Okay, thank you students.